As developers, we spend hours building amazing projects, but when it comes to monetizing or sharing our work, we hit a wall. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, even LinkedIn is hard to get noticed. I experienced this myself. Weeks of effort and zero clients. That's why I built Code2Content, a platform that turns your GitHub code into ready to publish personalized content. From blog posts to social media updates, it automatically generates content that reflects your coding style and skill level. No more guessing what to post, no more wasted hours. Here's the magic. We use Google's Gemini 3 as the brain of the system. It analyzes your commits, pull requests, README files, and project structure, and then generates content that is tailored to your style. Even better, our platform learns from your edits. So the more you use it, the smarter and more accurate it becomes. Developers who struggle to get noticed can now showcase their work instantly and professionally. Imagine turning every project into an opportunity to attract clients, grow your audience, or build a personal brand without spending hours writing content. Code to Content is a new, innovative, and built for the modern developers. It solves a real problem, leverages Gemini 3 to its full potential, and creates opportunities for developers to monetize their work like never before. This is just version 1. I can't wait to scale this and help developers everywhere turn code into content. If you want to check this out for yourself, just check the link in the description below.